Instead of going to ano. Mga close. Ha? Mukha yun, no?
Naka-close na sila. Naka-close na yung gate eh.
Oy, oy!
Ano bang spots here?
Oh my God. Di ng Mango Center?
Ha?
Mango Research Center?
Mango?
Ha? Research Center.
Kabila lang sir.
Ha?
Abre na siya. Punta lang ka sir.
May ng coffee shop? Coffee shop? Magsunod dira?
Punta pa sir.
Itong DA, Department. Makasunod ito? Hindi magsunod? Hindi.
Sabado sir.
Sabado na. Oh, okay.
Sana lang.
Mga seedlings, di ka baka seedlings dire.
Turuan talaga kita sir. Sabay na sa akin.
Din banda. Sa sunod siya?
Malapit lang.
Ha? Lapit lang?
Tingnan natin yun. Baka meron doon.
Seedlings kasi mahirap maghanap ng seedlings.
Power naman local silang kita.
No, you're just assuming that. You don't know how it works. Yeah.
Kasi parang ito na ba?
Dahil hindi nakabili siya ng mango sa kalsada ba?
Mango is a brand.
Kaya gani. Sobrang brand niya.
You don't know
The
that
local,
they're
you
not.
cannot buy it
You
from
don't
the
know.
local.
It's an assumption.
Pero ito, how can the locals here cannot, tourism is not their main product. Actually, because those benefits from tourism.
Baka we should look into it more before we make such bold claims.
Bawas.
Nagawa siya ng conclusions kagad. Sabi niya, dahil akong mangga sa kalsada,
The people are not earning from tourism. I know.
Okay.
dahil akong mangga sa kalsada daw, ano agad.
Kasi di ba kasi their main product, ikaw, you come here to eat mango. Where are the mango?
Okay, ma'am.
Humorous with no mango.
Okay, ma'am. It's okay. We will get the mango.
I-post mo sa kuan sa social media para magkuan,
Only you can only buy mangoes at the at stores like cafe shops like this.
Are you hungry?
May mangga man dun sa pabanwa nila. Yung beaches lang walang benta mangga.
You buy it
Baka
before.
kasi no one buys it there.
No, if there are tourists selling, I'll buy. Tourists will buy. If there are long
It's a
people are,
regulated
if
product.
they're selling around the road, they will buy.
It's okay, ma'am. Okay na. Are you hungry?
No,
I think you're hungry.
I'm just teaching people the locals.
Maganda ba i-post mo sa social media ba para may
Ako
magkuan.
mag-believe ako kasi basta you give me some proof.
Huh?
I will sympathize with what you're saying. Aside from the result.
Adin, dire?